Ever wondered how to create engaging and viral videos effortlessly? In the vast ocean of content creation, it can feel like you're swimming against the tide, constantly striving to craft content that truly captivates. But what if there was a way to streamline this process, to transform simple inputs into stunning scripts, all without needing a single tech skill? A platform that stands out in the crowd, offering realistic voiceovers, multilingual support, and even the ability to create virtual humans videos? Well, your solution is Talkie, and we're here to tell you all about it. Talkie is a cutting-edge, cloud-based platform that uses artificial intelligence to revolutionize content creation. Imagine a tool that takes the essence of AI technology and applies it to generate engaging, viral videos without breaking a sweat. That's Talkie for you. It's not just any content creation tool, but a smart one that transforms simple inputs like keywords or URLs into captivating scripts. Picture this: you key in a few words or a URL, and voila! You get a brilliant script ready to come alive as a video. No technical skills required, just your creativity and Talkie's AI magic. And the best part? It's all happening in the cloud. So with Talkie, you don't need to sweat over content creation anymore. But that's not all. Talkie has a plethora of features that make it the ultimate content creation tool. For starters, it's not just about creating any old video. Talkie has the power to generate virtual humans videos. That's right, you can create lifelike characters to tell your story, making your content more engaging and personal. What's more, Talkie offers realistic voiceovers, so your virtual humans can speak with natural-sounding voices, bringing your content to life. And this isn't just limited to English. With Talkie, you'll have access to over 50 languages and a variety of accents. This multilingual support allows you to reach a global audience and cater to various niches. Now let's talk about cost. Talkie operates on a one-time payment model. That's right, no recurring fees or hidden costs. And to make things even better, they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you can try it out and see the results for yourself without any risk. With all these features, Talkie is your go-to solution for all your content creation needs. Now that you know about the power of Talkie, it's time to experience it for yourself. Imagine having the ability to generate engaging, viral videos at your fingertips. No more wrestling with content creation. No more time wasted. With Talkie, you can transform simple inputs into captivating scripts effortlessly. And the best part? You can try it completely risk-free. Talkie offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. That's right, 30 days to test out this revolutionary platform and see the difference it can make in your content creation process. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below and start creating engaging content with Talkie today.